divide 533 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down these 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 533 divided by 5 is 106 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.